it's all right because the safe is all open, the doors to the bank are wide open. Don't worry, there's little pens with chains attached. Like, what guy's gonna come in there and go, you know what? I don't even want the money. I just want the pen. All right? Just give me the pen. Just give me the pen. I don't want the pen anymore. Because I don't want it. It's too much work. But we can't forget something. We can't forget that the Democrats and the Republicans, one's a jackass and one's an elephant. Can't forget that. Americans got their priorities out of whack, man. Man, growing up, I had a great childhood, man. But my parents, man, they used to have, like, as I would say, sex codes. They wouldn't tell you that you're going to have sex, but you knew it anyways. But their code was typewriter. Typewriter! How can you get that wrong? We don't even have a typewriter in the house. Remember my dad going up to my mom going, hey there, son. You know what? I want to have your mom and me type a paper. Can you go get it for me real quick? My mom might go, Mom, Dad wants to type a paper. Well, you tell your father he can't write a paper right now. There's a red ribbon inside the typewriter right now. He can't type it. So a day passes, man. A day passes. All of a sudden, my mom comes up to me and she goes, hey, son, take your damn gun. I'm ready to write that paper now for him. My dad goes, there. He goes, listen, bitch, it's already been handwritten. I'm an entrepreneur.